Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So today I've got something exciting for you guys, the OnePlus Nord 5 and the OnePlus Nord CE 5. We'll be doing unboxing of both these devices and I'll be sharing my initial thoughts about the design, and along with that I'll be also sharing camera samples from both these devices. But an important disclaimer guys, all the specs I'll mention are based on the leaks and early info. The full confirmed specifications, detailed testing and verdict, that's coming in my full review video, and that will be releasing on 8 July after the lift of embargo. So let me give you a quick look to both the devices. Here we have OnePlus Nord CE 5 and here we have OnePlus Nord 5. We received these units from OnePlus as a review unit. Let's start what you get to see inside the box. See, both the boxes have similar look and the box content is also same. Soon you open the box, you get to see the phone itself, then a 80-watt SuperVOOC charger, a USB to Type-C cable, SIM rejector tool, some paperwork like user manual. Along with that, you also get to see the cases for both the phones. So here for OnePlus Nord CE 5, you can see the case matches the color and it's a soft rubber case guys. After that, with the Nord 5, we have another case which is kind of grayish in color. It doesn't exactly match the color of the phone. Once you apply it, it looks great. Now let's talk about in-hand feel of both the devices. See, both the devices are almost exactly in size. Nord 5 has solid build and a matte glass finish. See, as per the leaks, they are confirming that this device has a metal frame. But as far as I know, if the metal frame is there, there should be the antenna lines. But here on the entire frame, I don't see a single antenna line. But I'll still confirm you guys when I get the complete info about the device, whether it's a metal frame or something else. Nord CE 5 comes with a plastic back and a plastic frame. Also, whenever I tap here on the plastic frame, I get to hear the similar sound on both the devices. So I'm a bit confused about it, whether OnePlus Nord 5 has a metal frame or a plastic frame. As said, I'll keep you guys posted in the comment section below soon I get any kind of info about it. In-hand feel is solid. You do have slight curves on all the sides. So using the device for longer hours doesn't hurt you. Talking about ports and buttons, so towards the right hand side on OnePlus Nord CE, we do have volume slider and power button. And both the buttons are tactile. You can listen to the sound yourself. Towards the left hand side, you don't get to see anything on your OnePlus Nord CE 5. But on OnePlus Nord 5, we do have this plus key, which was recently introduced with OnePlus 13s. Towards the bottom side, we have a speaker grill, Type-C charging port and primary mic. The camera module is towards the right hand side and they are a bit popping out. So whenever you keep the device on the flat surface, both the devices do wobbles. Overall, in-hand feel is quite premium on both the devices, and due to the matte finish, we don't get to see any smudges at the back, or you can say fingerprints. And here's what leak says about OnePlus Nord 5. The device will be packed with Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 processor. It may have 6.83-inch AMOLED panel with 1.5K resolution plus 144Hz refresh rate. And Nord 5 also claims to have 7300 square millimeter Caro Velocity vapor chamber for cooling. It will also have Bluetooth 5.4 support, Wi-Fi 6E, and as per the leaks, the battery capacity will be 6800 mAh. Nord 5 will also have support of 144 FPS in games like BGMI and Call of Duty Mobile. Talking about Nord CE 5, as per the leaks, it will have MediaTek Dimensity 8350 processor, 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel supporting 120Hz of refresh rate, and a massive battery of 7100 mAh. And as per the camera leaks, it will have dual camera setup towards the back and side. One will be 50 megapixel and the second one will be 8 megapixel, which is ultra wide. Along with that, the front selfie shooter will be 50 megapixel and which will be capable of recording 4K 60 FPS, which even OnePlus 12 can't do. And about OnePlus Nord CE 5, that device will also have dual camera setup. One will be 50 megapixel with OIS and 8 megapixel for ultra wide. But the selfie shooter will be 16 megapixel. And here you can take a look at all the photos which I clicked from OnePlus Nord 5 and OnePlus Nord CE 5. So yes, these are just early impressions based on the leaks and the box content, and you guys let me know how is the output of camera on both the phones. I'm not exactly sure about the pricing. We'll give you all the information about both the devices on 8th July. Meanwhile, if you guys want me to test anything specific on both the devices, drop your comments in the comment section below. So guys, that's it for now. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.